Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll sign in and switch straight to demo mode. Don't linger in live. Once done, confirm your email so all features unlock. Next, top up the demo balance to an amount you'll trade with, for example $1,000, and pick the asset class and time frame you want to practice. Make sure to set chart type and time interval now so your first trade reflects realistic conditions. This gets you trading immediately, without the distraction of account setup details. You analyze the chart, identify trend, support and resistance, and recent swing points. This tells you why a trade makes sense. Then add one or two indicators like EMA and RSI to confirm entry timing. Do not overload charts. Once indicators align, choose your stake amount, pick an appropriate expiry, and place a call or put. After placing the trade, monitor price action and use the platform's trade history to track execution, so you learn exactly how signals translated into. You either close trades early when conditions change or let them run to expiry, but always follow your risk rules. After the session, review the trade log and write down what worked and what failed, entry, stop, and reasoning, so you iteratively improve. If something goes wrong, such as trades not executing or charts freezing, first check your internet connection, then ensure the platform is updated and clear your browser cache. If problems persist, restart the app and retry the demo to avoid confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.